Okay, let's settle it. Is the Fiio DM15 R2R a legit portable CD player in 2026, or is it just another overhyped gadget? I've spent the last week living with this thing, and here's what you need to know. Straight, no fluff. First up, the heart of this beast, the custom R2R DAC. If you're tired of the same old Delta Sigma sound, this player delivers a real analog vibe that's warm, smooth, and honestly kinda addictive. Toss in your favorite CD, and you get that classic, organic sound. Think vinyl, but portable. It's not just a nostalgia trip, it's a legit audio upgrade. And power? Oh yeah, it's got muscle. With up to 1150 milliwatts per channel on the balanced out, it'll drive anything from IEMs to the hungriest full-size headphones. No sweat. This thing isn't just a CD spinner either. It's a USB DAC for your laptop, a digital transport, and even a Bluetooth transmitter with aptX and all its flavors. Super versatile. Build quality? It's a tank. All-metal chassis, transparent top so you can watch your CDs spin. Feels premium in the hand. But, I'll be real, the tiny button labels and that lid mechanism can be a bit fiddly, especially if you're out and about. Battery life lands around 6 to 7 hours. Not bad, but you'll want to bring a cable for long trips. Any downsides? Sure. Minor firmware hiccups. Occasionally a little static or a playback glitch, which will hopefully get patched, and no LDAC or aptX lossless for wireless diehards, so Bluetooth purists, take note. So, is the Fiio DM15 R2R a scam? Absolutely not. It's a niche, high-value piece of kit for anyone who loves that analog charm and wants modern flexibility. If you're a CD fan or just want something different from the crowd, this is a solid buy. Catch you next time for more honest gear reviews.